Hello friends, this is your friend Vivek Bajaj. Friends, exhibitions hosted by industry players are a very important place to learn everything about which is happening in the industry. In fact, I have attended a lot of exhibitions for specialized industries. For example, there is a railway exhibition, there is a defense exhibition. So exhibition actually is a place where you find everyone and anyone, and you can find out what's new happening in the world, and you can actually make some judgments about the interactions you may have with the people. Finbridge is one of the leaders in the domain of exhibitions, in the domain of financial markets. I have been working with them for many years now, and this year they are organizing a finance exhibition in Mumbai on 17th and 18th of December. If you are there in Mumbai or if you intend to travel to Mumbai, this is a perfect date, 17th or 18th of December, and they are organizing it in Nehru Center, Worli. This exhibition will give you an exposure to various new things which is happening in market, and also they have organized this time a lot of workshops where you can learn the micro aspects of understanding the market. If you want to attend the exhibition, it's of no cost, but if you want to attend the workshop, obviously you have to bear some cost. Well, we are StockEdge, a stock analytics partner for that exhibition. So I would love to have you come to the exhibition, come to our stall, see what we are doing, know more about what we want to do and how we are constantly empowering you. So do attend this exhibition 17th and 18th of December. The link of the website will be available below this video. Do attend irrespective of what you want to do. It would be a great learning exercise for you. It's Saturday, Sunday, so you have to invest a bit of time for long-term wealth creation in your life. Thank you. I hope to see you there.